This is hydrogen tap. What we're looking at here is a piece of test equipment I put together to test the output of the hydrogen generators. There are two tubes here. The one on the right is 15 inches tall. The one on the left is 9 inches tall. Each tube is 1 3/4 inches across the top. The tube on the left is closed on the top and the bottom. The top has a small opening in it that has to be closed when we do the test, and it has a hose that goes in the bottom. That hose is what we're going to put to the output of the hydrogen generators. The tube on the right is closed on the bottom only and open on the top. When we start the test, the first thing we do is fill the tube on the right with water up to this level that you've seen. There's a good view of the tube in the middle. We fill that with water and then close the hole on the left top. The hydrogen comes in from that tube, from the hydrogen generator, puts gas into the left tube there. The gas rises to the top and pushes down the water. The water is pushed through the small tube in the center there and makes the water on the right side rise. As you can see, we have a measuring device there in front of it. This particular one is measuring by inches. I'll show you how that works. After a few tests on this, it turns out I need something with a lot more contrast on it to be put there. That I'll change. The tubes are very light and the whole setup is very light, which makes it easy to run tests on the hydrogen generators. With this system, I'll be able to see immediately how much gas is coming out of the generators without having to guess. So all the next videos will be showing this along with the test. In just a moment, I'll show you gas coming in through this tube and we'll show you how it works. That's the input hose for the hydrogen that's coming from the hydrogen generators we're testing. As you can see, the hole in the top of the tube on the left. The reason for that is when you put water in the tube on the right, you have to have a way for the air to escape on the left. And then we cap that off when we run the test. It's an excellent view of the hole in the top on the left side, and we're now going to put gas in the unit to show you how it works. As you can see, the water's not rising. We have to close that hole up. And now you're going to see the gas filling up on the left side, which is pushing the water down through to the right side. The only thing I'm not sure of at this point is the pressure, how much pressure it takes to push that up. We'll find that out when we make the first test. Here we're doing the same test. You can see a better view of it. We've put tape across that hole on the top, and you're going to see the gas on the left going to the top, pushing the water down through that small cross section, and the water on the right rises. This should be an excellent way of testing the gas output of each unit. Again, the tubes are 15 inches tall on the right and 9 inches on the left. There's a good view of the measure device we have there. Obviously, we can put any kind of measuring unit we want on there, and it's very easy to see with the camera, but it is very small and hard to see with the naked eye. You can see the gas flowing through the tube, and it's pushing it down.